Hi guys, welcome back to the Rads. I am the A of the group, Akmal, and now I would like to invite the main people of this challenge, the S of the group, Saktish.
Hi.
There he is. Hi. So now I would like to invite the second contestant of the group of the challenge, who is Rayan, the R of the group.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, there he is. Hi, Rayan. And
Hi.
I am a Akmal of the group. I might have said that, and I like lace.
Guys, got
It's
issues.
good. It's good. It's
Warm
good.
up joke.
Okay, so what are we here for today?
So today we are gonna do the challenge, which name is "Don't Laugh and Lose." Okay, there are four set of rules. Okay, I did some changes in this actually. I would like to read them out to you guys. So the rules are, it's actually pretty simple rules. The rules are, the number one rule: if a guy laughs, the opponent gets a point. Okay, that's simple, that's easy. Then the second rule is, if a guy guesses the answer, he gets a point. Once again, a simple rule.
Okay.
Then the next rule is, the first one to reach 5 points is the winner. Once again, another simple rule. Now this is the big one.
Complex.
The main loser, the loser of the game, will have to do two major challenges. Now
Okay.
that's the one. So
We planned
each
for
of the
one. Okay, fine.
contestant has, so each of the contestant has given me three to four challenges. So from each of them, I have picked one. So there are two challenges. So the main loser will have to do both of them. It will be really fun and really interesting.
Okay.
So these guys have collected some jokes, and now
Yeah.
they are gonna say to each other, and they are gonna try if the other one laughs
Okay.
or not. Simple. I just told you guys.
Okay.
So you guys ready? So first, Rayan, you are the one who's saying the joke,
Okay, fine. I understand.
Yeah. So
and
let's
I am the
start.
judge.
Akmal, you can turn your video on.
Start. Oh no, I would like to be cleanly off over here.
But I would like you to be cleanly on over here. Can you on your video? Please.
Okay, man. Okay, I will be here.
Fine. Okay, I understand.
So let's start. Did you hear about the mathematician who is afraid of negative numbers?
No.
He will stop at nothing to avoid them. He will start to sleep but to avoid him.
Okay, good one. What do you call a fish with no eyes?
Fish with no eyes.
Yeah.
Fish. Then
Fish.
Fine.
not funny. It's not funny.
Okay, yeah.
A bear walks into a bar and says, "Give me a whiskey." Why?
Okay.
Because I'm very stubborn.
Did you hear about the Italian chef who died?
Not really. No.
He passed away. You're gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh.
Okay, the judge laughed.
Not funny. Not funny.
Okay, okay. That was a good joke. I thought it took a dark turn, but then it became funny.
So then, why did the chicken go to space center
Why?
to research?
What? Okay, fine. Dayan, I'm asking you a question. I want you to answer it. What prize did the guy who invented the knock knock joke win?
No, I don't know.
Nobel Prize.
No. I understood the
That's
joke,
good.
but I'm not laughing at it.
Yes, yes. But
Okay, if I was over here, I would have died laughing.
Okay, so let me see.
I can tell you,
What is a
even though you guys are trying your best, you guys both at this.
I know.
what did the Buddhist say to the hot dog vendor?
Buddhist or hot dog better? I thought Buddhist was vegetarian, weren't they?
What did he say to the vendor?
Okay, I don't know.
Hot dog vendor.
I know.
Make me one with anything.
That is like a contrary of what I just said. Anything as in what?
From where the hell do you guys find these jokes?
He found it. Ask him. What do you call a fake noodle?
Fake?
Noodle.
Fake noodle. No.
Pasta.
I don't know. So pasta is not a noodle.
Impasta. Impasta. Do you want
Pasta is not a noodle. So what did the left eye say to the right eye?
what?
Between you and me, something smells. Yes.
Finally, somebody laughed.
Yes.
சிங்கத்தை போட்டோல பாத்திருப்ப சினிமால பாத்திருப்ப டிவில பாத்திருப்ப ஏன் கூண்டுல கூட பாத்திருப்ப
Okay, fine. What kind of tea is hard to swallow?
What type of tea is hard to swallow?
A reality.
No.
Okay, fine. Who cares? Go.
That's
Okay.
a really thinking one, but that's not good.
How do you make a tissue box laugh or dance?
I know.
You shake your booty boo.
Okay, that's a really disturbing. That's a really disturbing one. Okay. Okay, I have to say, Ryan has the worst jokes and the best jokes over here right now.
Good one, Rayan. Okay, fine. Why did the can crusher quit his job?
Why?
Because it was so depressing. Did he laugh? Okay, he did.
Okay, so he laughed. Okay, so Satish and Ryan both have 1 point right now.
Okay, fine. Good one. Thank you. Habibi.
Okay. What orange and sounds like a carrot?
Could you repeat?
What's orange and sounds like a carrot?
Sounds like a carrot. I don't know.
You don't know? Carrot.
How is a parrot orange? Parrot is green, no? Isn't it?
Yeah, also
Akmal
orange
slept.
parrots.
Akmal slept listening to your jokes.
Okay, just continue. Okay, so hear me out. You both have got 1 more point, okay? If you're going to fight till 5 points, this will take an eternity. So I think it's better if the next guy who laughs loses, okay? We have already crossed more than 10 jokes. Let's see.
Okay. This is a conversation between a father and his son, okay? Father looks at his teenage son, James. He says, "You've been adopted." James replies, "Yes, I knew it. I wanted to meet my real parents." And the father laughs. No. James, we are your biological parents, but you need to get packing. Your adoptive ones will be here in an hour.
Okay, that's good. God, I'm so happy I'm over here right now because I'm the judge. I can laugh anytime I want. And I can eat lace
Okay,
anytime I want.
I told my mom she was drawing her eyebrows too high. Why?
Why?
Because she was so surprised.
What?
What?
She was so surprised.
Okay, sure. Nice. By the way, hashtag not sponsored. This is not sponsored, okay? This is not sponsored. I swear on God.
Okay,
If somebody
listen,
says this is
okay,
sponsored, I will
Satish, can you
kill
say
in the
your joke?
comments.
Okay. Listen.
Where does Batman go to the bathroom?
Bathroom. Okay. Bat. No, okay, fine, say.
A bathroom.
Same man, bathroom.
I guessed the answer.
He got the
He
point.
said bat. He said
Correct.
bathroom. I said bathroom. Bath.
Same thing, bathroom, bathroom.
And then go to the school
To study.
because he wanted to become a smarty.
Oh, okay. I understood. That's funny. That's funny.
Is it an Eminem song, Marty? There is
Yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know. I don't see Eminem. Okay. When
Okay.
is the best time?
Okay, it's all right.
Okay, Ryan. When is it the best time to go to the dentist?
I don't know.
2:30. 2:30. Understand?
I understood, but not funny.
That's actually pretty good.
Okay. What does a house wear?
What is a house wear?
Yeah.
I don't know.
A dress.
Oh, address. Address. Okay, fine. Whatever.
That's actually funny.
Seriously? Okay, fine.
Yeah, man. That's actually good.
Why do bees have sticky hair?
I don't know.
Because they use honeycombs.
Okay. Come on, man.
Come
You
on,
have
man,
to laugh
laugh,
at
man.
this.
Laugh.
Honeycomb. Honey is a comb. That's good. Honeycomb. Comb.
Please laugh, man. Please laugh.
Comb.
Comb.
Honeycomb.
Honey.
Honeycomb. Honeycomb.
Honey.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing.
Laughing.
Hey, I think
come
I'm not
on.
laughing. Get out.
Okay, bye.
What do you call people who are afraid of Santa? Claustrophobic.
Claustrophobic. Nice. How do you throw a space planet?
What?
How do you throw a space party?
I don't know.
You plan it. You plan it.
I plan it.
You plan it.
Okay, fine. Okay, listen. Okay, fine. Did you know the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? Were they cooked? Also, I'll say, where were the first French fries cooked? In a kitchen. Man, all my main jokes I told this guy already. Okay, fine. Say.
Want to hear a construction joke?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Oh, never mind. I'm still working on that one.
That's good. That's good. You have to laugh at that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, now you two are equal.
That was lit.
Now you two are equal.
That was really good.
Now if one more guy laughs, the guy wins.
Dude, I don't have any jokes. Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay, only 3 more tries. Okay. Ryan,
Okay.
Why did the gym close out?
Let the gym closer. Yeah.
it didn't just work out. I tried to sue the airport for misplacing my luggage. What did I do?
What?
I tried to sue the airport for misplacing my luggage. What did I do?
What did you do?
I lost my case.
What is red? Tastes very bad, but is good for your teeth.
Toothpaste.
Dabur red paste.
Hindi jokes.
How is that Hindi joke?
Dabur is a Hindi word. So
Hey, this guy.
It's not a Hindi.
I want to slap this guy. and say,
Dabur is a worldwide placement. Look, wait.
Huh.
After Rayan tells a joke, you guys more try. If
Okay.
nobody laughs, nobody gets the answer right. Both of you are doing the challenges.
Thank you. Okay, fine. Say, Rayan.
why does the sun don't go to the college?
Why?
Because it has more degrees.
Okay.
No, I'll say. On a train, okay, a man says to a lady, "Madam, could you please tell your son to stop imitating me? It's very annoying." And the mom says, "I'm sorry. Harry, can you stop acting stupid?"
Okay.
That's good.
How do you count cows?
How do cows?
How do you count cows?
How do I count cows? I don't know.
You know, with the calculator.
Saktisha joke. Last joke.
Girl asks, "Am I beautiful, George?" And a guy replies, "You're like the sun. It's a pain looking at you." Okay, so both of us
Okay.
have done
So
nothing.
stop. I can't believe I'm saying this, but both of you are going to do the meet. So now I will choose two challenges for both of you guys. Okay?
fine.
I'm too disappointed at both of you. Okay? So the first challenge is you both are going to text Saktish. Text Devansh. Okay, you both are going to text Devansh. You look hot and cute, and I like you. You are not going to delete it. You are not going to say hi or anything. You are just going to type it out. Okay, you won't delete it at all. And you will take a screenshot and you will send it to us to give the proof. You should not delete it. I will call Devansh and I will see if you both have deleted it or not. Okay, to see as a proof.
Fine.
You
fine.
both have to do it.
Okay.
I
This
like
challenge
you.
was
You are
given
hot.
by Ryan.
No. Oh,
Yeah, the challenge was given by Ryan.
Ryan, you fool.
You're cute.
Okay.
You're cute and you're hot and I like you. That's the sentence. I'm too disappointed with you both. Okay, you both have lost really badly. You both have 2 points.
To say something.
Okay, tell that.
Not
tell
just
that.
you. Everyone who's watching our video will be.
I know. Okay, so the second challenge is which is by. So do you see this piece of paper?
Yeah.
This should be the size of paper. You should eat this in front of camera.
You should swallow
Okay.
it also.
Yeah, swallow it. Did I say to spit it out? You have to swallow it. This is suspicious.
That's
Okay.
my idea.
Shit.
Okay.
Idiot.
So the first challenge that you guys are going to do is eat this. Okay.
Okay, fine. Let me tell
As
you.
a support, I will do it with you guys.
You're gonna do it with us. Okay.
Yeah, it will be fun.
Okay, Ryan, we have a scapegoat, so it's fine.
Okay. So guys, as I'm a judge, okay, I have a plus point. I'm going to eat this with lace. Okay. This is going to be. I think this is going to be more disgusting, but let's see.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?
Hey, he's eating something else. He's eating something else.
Hey, is that a paper?
Is that a paper?
Yeah, okay, it's a paper. Okay, fine.
But how did he cut it so
Hey, this guy's also
perfectly?
eating this.
Because he's a judge.
I am a judge,
Not you.
but I'm
Eating a paper. This is a paper.
okay. 3, 2, 1, eat it.
Dude,
Thank God for the lace, that taste went away.
I literally swallowed a paper. Shit.
The paper is, a small piece of paper is stuck in my teeth.
Yes, he's cut.
Revenge.
Hey, what revenge? I'm the judge. Okay, so the second challenge. Take your phone and type to Devansh right now.
Hey, listen, my screen is recording. I'll just type like this itself, okay? Like in my laptop itself, I type. Is it okay?
Do that.
Yeah, wait.
You're hot and cute and I like
Satish,
you.
you ate it, right?
Yeah, I ate it.
It's like pointing in our throat.
Yeah, it's like some sort of
I
irritation.
know.
Paper. no?
I know. It is happening to me too.
So you can,
You're
Atul, you
hot.
can leave.
What,
Dude,
man?
seriously, you want to do it?
I have to see it.
Okay.
Yeah, you're hot and cute and I like you. Ryan, did you type it?
I'm typing.
No. That is the hardest.
Hey,
This is the hardest
you're-
one. I know that.
Say it again, say it again. Can you repeat?
You're hot. You're hot
Uh,
and cute.
okay,
And I like you.
okay.
The dear of our group, Devaj, is going to be really shocked when he reads this. I want to see his reaction.
Satish, did you type?
Dude, I told. Okay, fine. I'll share my screen as of now, okay, so that you guys will see what I have typed, okay?
Okay,
And
do
I'm
that.
also going to expose Ryan, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this is my screen, okay, and this is the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, this is Devansh's chat, and I have typed. You can see, okay? Okay.
Oh, thank you. Good job. Good job.
Okay, now wait. I'm going to expose Ryan. I'm going to expose Ryan.
Okay, let's see.
Yes, he deleted the message. Cheater. Dude,
Okay,
dude.
can you tell the message again?
Hey, you know what Devansh? I mean, Ryan told. He's like, we'll do fake chat to Devansh.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ryan, I didn't expect this from you.
And Satish also replied, okay, okay also.
But I did not cheat. I did not cheat. I showed it to you. I did not cheat. I showed it.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Okay,
I saw
wait.
that. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job.
Hey, I'll conclude.
So you both did the challenges.
I'll conclude it. I'll conclude the video, okay? Okay. This is going to be a dark one. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you did not like this. So if you did not like this video, like, share and subscribe to The Great Rats. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.